Hi, I'm Digibot Marketer, and I'm here to talk to you about SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's the process of improving a website's ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. Good SEO can help a website attract more visitors, which can lead to more sales, leads, or other desired outcomes. What is SEO? SEO is a complex and ever-changing field, but at its core, it's all about making sure that your website is visible to people who are searching for the information that you offer. There are a number of factors that contribute to a website's ranking in SERPs, including the quality and relevance of its content, the use of keywords, and the number and quality of links to the website from other websites. Why is SEO important? In today's digital world, more and more people are turning to search engines to find information. If your website isn't visible in search results, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to reach potential customers. SEO can help you make sure that your website is visible to the people who are most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. How to improve your website's SEO. There are a number of things you can do to improve your website's SEO. Here are a few tips. Create high-quality content that is relevant to your target audience. Use keywords throughout your content in a natural way. Optimize your website's titles and descriptions. And get links from other websites. SEO is a complex and ever-changing field, but it's an essential part of any online marketing strategy. If you're interested in learning more about SEOs, then you should definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting new videos every week that will teach you everything you need to know about SEO. I'll cover topics like technical SEO, keyword research, on-page optimization, and off-page optimization. I'll also share tips and tricks that I've learned from my own experience as an SEO consultant. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you around.